Hi, I'm Francois. I'm the kitchen guy.
Hi, I'm Andre. I'm the kitchen guy.
Great. Well, we specialize in kitchen design. We also act as general contractor for turnkey projects for our customers. We have amazing suppliers. We love to recreate new spaces. We win prizes for those spaces, so we're pretty proud of it. And Andre's the original kitchen guy, so I'll let him tell you the original story.
Yes.
Okay, go ahead. Tell us all about your company.
Well, about the company. Basically, I wanted to offer my clientele something different, more of a personal approach in the process of developing their dream kitchens. In the past, I've noticed that there's a lot of missing fragments to the process where customers left on their own, trying to figure out or navigate through a very complex project, and it requires a really important investment for their homes. So I wanted to break down those processes and basically take them by the hand from the beginning right to the end, and that's what we specialize in.
We're the kitchen guys, and we absolutely love the Ottawa home shows.